earth's intent. For a man should be worth the courting, as he is deemed by his riches or his life, but shames him as it's spent. Then he who would have worth valiant, let him set his heart and all his hopes advance. In love, for love makes men do rich deeds of pleasance, and makes a man live straightly without bent, and gives joy and takes all grievance rents. But I hold not that man to be enamored, who goes to love with guile and false pretense. For he loves not, nor ought to be loved or favored, a man who asked his lady for her failings offense. For a lover must not want by any will's license a thing that to his lady would turn to shame's mischains. For love is nothing else but what advances, what it loves and wishes well with loyal credence, and who asked else gives love's name a false defense. Yet never did desire so overflow in me, that I wished any deed unseemly in its sense to the fair one to whom I've given myself faithfully. Nor would I hold any pleasure as pleasing evidence that to her could turn to any vileness's offense. Nor could anything give me happiness or pleasance that to her might turn to harm's mischains. For a true lover up to wish by 100-fold's pretense more of his lady than his own advancement. But a right lover is not in measure's excess, rather he loves with measured reverence. For between too much and too little measure has its place, else it is not measure if I have the sense. Nay, each lover hurts himself, and because I lead no lie, stand secure and break the false usage's pretense that false lovers lead in that false love's dalliance. And who follows right, God every good grants him thereby, late or timely, at least at the finishes cadence. For the worthy in the time that now is past sought from love nothing but the honoring, and the ladies in whom beauty was held fast did no deed for aught unseemly thing. Therefore were they, and they of worth in their flourishing, for each at least aimed at honor's observance. But now worth is cast into the balance's ring, for lovers have another understanding, whence rises blame and loss to many a gathering. Now shall I be blamed by all the more, it seems, by the lovers for this chastening I dispense, and by those in whom falsity reigns and teams, who set their heart on what I put in defense. But a sharer is in the evil who gives it consent, and every good man must hinder heaviness' presence, and the wise must turn the fool from his errant sense. Therefore I chasten those who love false in pretense, and if it grieves them, to me it is no grievance. Honor's grace, that they ever have a king of worth and honest pleasings, and the best in the world. But now they have a better place, for he is young in days and old in wisdom's space, whom giving pleases more than him who takes in